Hello everyone. Here is a practice question for OPSC Mains 2025. Examine the role and intensity of the Salt Satyagraha in Odisha during the civil disobedience movement with special reference to Inchudi and Srijanga. How did it compare with Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March? Before going into the writing part, let's have an overview of the regions of the region we are talking about. Here, Srijanga and Inchudi, their positions have been exchanged by this AI generated map. What happened? Acharya Harihara Das, after the arrest of Gopabandhu Chaudhary, led the team from Swaraj Ashram in Cuttack to Inchudi. There they broke the salt law, and the other places that were active Kujanga, Kakatpur, and in Ganjam, in Huma region, they broke the salt lodge. Let's go into the writing part. The salt satyagraha of 1930 marked a watershed moment in Odisha's freedom struggle, transforming the civil disobedience movement into a mass campaign. Here I have made this introduction part like this. Gopabandhu Chaudhary led the campaign with Inchudi in Balesur selected as the primary venue for salt violation. You can take screenshots. When Gopabandhu was arrested early on, Acharya Harihara thus led the first batch of 21 satyagrahis on a march from Swaraj Ashram in Cuttack to Inchudi. They arrived. The arrival of the march took place on 12th April 1930, which triggered a widespread participation. The defining feature of Inchudi Satyagraha was the active involvement of women. You must underline their names while writing the question answer. Led by Rama Devi, Malati Chaudhary, Sharala Devi, and Selvala Das. Thousands of rural women gathered along the seashore to manufacture salt, defying lathi charge and arrest by British police. Historians rate the scale of mass participation at Inchudi as second only to Dandi in coastal salt resistance. Beyond Inchudi, in Balesar, Srijang was a prominent place where it was broken, salt law was broken. Under the leadership of Gormohan Das and Vidyadhar Rath, Srijang became famous for combining salt law defiance with refusal to pay the repressive chowkidari tax. The local population sustained severe police brutality and collective fines without relenting. The other centers where the same salt law defense took place, Kujanga, Kakatpur, and Astaranga. Now, the salt satyagraha in Odisha matched the Dandi March in symbolic intensity, strategic execution, and non-violent discipline. It succeeded in bridging gender, caste, and class divides, laying the foundation for subaltern participation in subsequent phases of the national movement. I have made this the writing like this. You can improvise over it.